In today's video, we're reviewing Your First Dollar, a course that helps beginners make their very first dollar online using simple step-by-step strategies. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and if you've ever been curious about starting an online business but have no idea where to begin, this might be exactly what you need. There's something powerful about that first sale. It's not about the amount, it's about what it represents. It's proof that you can create something valuable, put it out into the world, and have someone say, yes, I want that. For most people, that moment changes everything. But getting there can feel confusing, especially with so much noise online. One person says to start an agency, another says to do drop shipping, and someone else says to launch an ebook. Your First Dollar was created to cut through all of that and show you how to actually take action one clear step at a time. Let's break down what this course is, what makes it stand out, and whether it's the right move for you. So Your First Dollar is a beginner-friendly focused course and community hosted on WAP. It's designed to help anyone learn their first bit of online income, whether that's through freelancing, affiliate marketing, or digital products. It's for people who don't have fancy tech skills, business experience, or an audience yet. This course walks you through the process of identifying something you can sell, finding people who will pay you for it, and making your first sale as fast as possible. It's not about getting rich overnight, it's about getting a win that you can build on. The moment you make that first dollar, you stop wondering if it's possible and start asking, how far can I take this? The course includes training videos, examples, and community support to help you stay consistent as you go. Now, what makes Your First Dollar different? There are endless make money online courses out there, but most are designed for people who already have a business or some momentum. Your First Dollar is for the real beginners, the people still trying to understand how everything connects. The program focuses on clarity, not complexity. It doesn't tell you to build funnels, hire teams, or run ads. Instead, it helps you identify your unique strengths, choose a beginner-friendly path, and take simple daily actions that move the needle. It also includes an active community on WAP, which makes a big difference when you're new. You're surrounded by people who are in the same place trying to get traction, celebrating small wins, and learning what works. That support keeps you motivated on days when you feel like quitting. Now, let's dive into the key features. First, beginner roadmap. So Your First Dollar is organized as a roadmap that takes you from no idea where to start to your first actual sale. The first few modules are all about clarity, learning what kind of online business fits your lifestyle and goals. You'll explore a few beginner-friendly modules like freelancing, affiliate marketing, and selling simple digital products. The middle section helps you identify your skill set and package it into something valuable. Maybe that's writing, design, editing, or even helping others organize their business. You'll learn how to create an offer people will actually pay for. And the final section focuses on outreach and marketing. So how to find customers, have real conversations, and confidently close your first sale without feeling pushy. Everything builds logically so you never feel lost or overwhelmed. Realistic business models. Instead of teaching one single magic strategy, the course introduces you to multiple ways to earn money online, all of which are beginner friendly and low cost to start. You'll get an inside look at different modules like freelancing, how to offer your services and land your first client using free platforms or social media. There's also affiliate marketing, so how to recommend products and earn commission passively. There's also digital products, so how to create simple templates, guides, or resources that people want to buy. And then even micro agency model, so how to eventually scale once you've made your first few sales. You don't need to pick one forever, but testing a few will help you find your natural fit. Simplified sales strategy. Selling can feel super intimidating, especially if you've never done it before. The course actually breaks down how to confidently talk about what you offer without sounding robotic or salesy. You'll learn things like find your first paying customers even with no following, use free tools like Instagram DMs or email to connect with leads, and even price your offer fairly while building early momentum. The course focuses on helping you make small, consistent progress, not overnight success. Systems for beginners. You'll also learn how to build basic systems for tracking progress, staying organized, and managing money. There's guidance on how to use simple tools like Google Sheets or Notion to track clients, goals, and sales. It's perfect for people who've never managed an online business before. Everything is broken down so you can start quickly without worrying about fancy tech. Supportive community. The WAP-based community is one of the best parts of the course. You'll meet other creators, freelancers, and entrepreneurs who are also trying to earn their first online income. You can share progress updates, ask for advice, and get feedback from people who understand exactly what you're going through. It's a low pressure, encouraging environment that helps you stay accountable, which is huge when you're building something on your own. Now, let's go ahead and talk about some pros and cons so you can see if it's a good fit for you. The best thing about your first dollar is how beginner friendly it is. It doesn't assume you know marketing or have a ton of tech skills. It walks you through every step clearly and gives you practical next actions instead of theory. It's perfect for people who are super motivated but feel a bit overwhelmed. You'll finally have a structured plan instead of scattered advice from random TikToks or YouTube videos. The only real downside is that it's not for advanced entrepreneurs. If you already have an established online business or steady income, you might find the lessons too basic, but for true beginners, that simplicity is exactly what makes it effective. Another small con is that it's self-paced, meaning you need to hold yourself accountable, but the community definitely helps with that if you engage consistently. Now, let's talk about the different plans and pricing options. So if you want to use our exclusive link down in the description below, you click that link and then you'll be able to see their products. So they do have a free community right here that is, again, absolutely for free. You can go ahead and check that out. And then they've got the TikTok and creator marketplace. So this is just $50 per month. And then they do have another one, which is hire TikTok shop creators for your e-commerce brand, and that is $200 a month. So if you click into your first dollar, you can even come in here and read some ratings and review, and you can get 50% off if you pay for a year in full. As you can see, there's 450 members in there, so this is definitely something that a lot of people are interested in. Before we wrap up, I just wanted to touch on a few bonus tips on how you can get the most out of your first dollar. Number one is to block off consistent learning time. Treat the course like a class. Pick 30 to 60 minutes a day or a few focus sessions a week to study, take notes, and apply what you've learned. Setting aside dedicated time is going to help you move through the material steadily instead of losing momentum. Number two is to take action immediately after each module. Don't wait until you watch every video before doing something. Taking quick action helps you lock in the knowledge and build confidence fast. Number three is to write out your first sale goal. Be specific. Instead of saying, I want to make money online, say, I want to make my first $50 offering social media help to one small business. Giving your goal a number and a time frame helps you stay focused and motivated. Number four is to use the WAP community as your accountability partner. Post your goals publicly in the group. For example, my goal is to get one paying client by next Friday. When you tell people what you're working towards, you're more likely to follow through, and you might get helpful feedback or connections along the way. And lastly, track everything. Start a progress log, even a simple spreadsheet, to track who you've reached out to, what offers you've tried, and what's worked. Seeing your numbers move, even slowly, keeps you encouraged and helps you make smarter decisions. So, should you join your first dollar? If you're new to the online business world and tired of watching others succeed while you're still figuring it out, then yes, your first dollar is 100% worth it. It's ideal for freelancers, students, or anyone who wants to start small but smart. As a personal note, I know how overwhelming it feels to start from scratch. I've been there, watching tutorials, reading guides, and wondering if it'll ever click. Your first dollar is designed to help you cross that bridge. It gives you structure, clarity, and a clear action plan to finally get started. If you're ready to stop learning in circles and actually take that first step, use the link down in the description below to check out the course to see if it's a good fit for you. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for supporting our channel. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you aren't already, and of course leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. This channel is dedicated to helping you find the best courses online that help you build your brand and business. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.